Okay, this is it. This is the house here. This is big mansion house. Our plumbing is right here. We're gonna check it out. Okay, this is our line. Here is our line, and also here, this one here, our pipe in the right place. So that's why we came over here today, because they're gonna pour the concrete tomorrow. They're gonna pour the concrete, and look at that. It's look like it's getting raining. So this is commode and shower there. Commode. This is the big mansion house, and this one here. There. All of the pipe. That's why we're always checking on it, because if we see that we did not check this, we're gonna jackhammer on it, so it's not good. That's why we have to check it if it's in the right place, the plumbing. This is the way that we do it in US. Right here, right there, right there. Just put the carton right there. Okay, this is our plumbing. All of it's the plumbing. Usually we don't work Sunday, but today we have to come over here to check the prop in, so that we're not gonna come back in tomorrow, because we have a job to do for tomorrow again. Tomorrow we have job to do. So anyway, this is me. Thank you for watching my channel. Don't forget to subscribe. Usually I'll show you how to. Usually I'll do I'll tour you around in our plumbing place. This is it. This is the main water line. This is a beautiful place here. Okay, thank you for watching. Okay. Here we go. Our plumbing.